Mark II AC Dual Hose Installation. In this video, we will focus on the dual hose installation technique. Installing the rear dual hose provides similar cooling effects to not connecting any hose but positioning the back part outside the cooled space. You can choose the option that best fits your setup. The intake hose draws in fresh air from the outside to help with heat exchange, and the exhaust hose removes the hot, humid air from the space. This way, your unit will no longer have negative air pressure to fight against, therefore drastically improving the efficiency of your system. We recommend to use this installation technique for most of all applications of the Mark II. You can refer to this picture and select the method that suits your setup and cooling needs best.